Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to a quick rundown of must-know computer hacks to skyrocket your productivity. Let's dive right in. First up, keyboard shortcuts. Mastering these can save you tons of time. For Windows users, try Windows key plus D to instantly minimize all windows and get to your desktop. On Mac, Command plus space opens Spotlight Search, which is a super quick way to find anything on your computer. Now let's talk file organization. Keeping your files neat can make a world of difference. Create a consistent folder structure. For instance, have separate folders for work, personal, and projects. Within each, break it down further, like documents, images, and so on. Use clear, descriptive names so you always know what's what at a glance. And what about boosting your internet speed? Start by placing your router in a central location. Elevate it off the ground, away from walls and other electronics. Also, make sure to regularly update your router's firmware for the best performance and security. Bonus tip: use a browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and install the AdBlock Plus extension. This not only speeds up your browsing by blocking ads, but also makes for a cleaner, less distracting online experience. So there you have it: keyboard shortcuts, file organization, and internet speed hacks to boost your productivity like never before. Give these tips a try and watch your efficiency soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. See you next time.